Hey guys, good morning. So what's up? Welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. So in this video we discuss the art of public speaking tips and tricks. So let's get start the video. Now, public speaking is a valuable skill that can benefit you in various escapes in your life, from professional presentation to social transportation and communication engagement. Here are some tips and tricks help you master the art of public speaking. Okay, let's get start the video. Now the point number first is know your audience. Okay, understand your audience need interacts and expansions. Tailor your speed to reason with them. Consider the demographics, knowledge level, and cultural background of your audience. Okay, the next is practice, and practice. Okay. Rehearse your speech multiple time before the actual presentation. Practice help build confidence and familiarity with your content. Practice in front of a mirror, record yourself, or rehearse in front of a friend or family member to get feedback. Okay guys, so the next is organize your content. Structure your speech with a clear beginning, middle, and end. Start with an engaging opening, deliver and the main content, and with a memorable conclusions. Use a logical sequence such as chronological order or problem solution format to make it easier for the audience to follow that. The next point is use visual aids visually. Visual aids like slide or props can enhance your presentations. Give them simple, uncultured, and relevant to your message. Use visual to components your speech, not replace it. Avoid reading directly from slide. Okay guys, so the next is use visual to complement your speech, not replace it. Avoid reloading directly from slides. Okay, the next is manage nervous. It's natural to feel nervous before speaking in public. To manage anxiety, now the three step is you can follow. Practice deep breathing exercise. Visualize a successful presentation. Focus on the message you are delivered, not your fear. Okay. The next point is engaging your audience, and the three step is point number one, two, three. Make first is make eyes contact with various audience member. Okay. The second is use and coordinate stories or humor to connect with your audience emotionally. Second is very best, and the third is engage participation, thought questions, or interactivity elements. Okay, the seventh is speak clearly and slowly. Slowly, okay. Innovate your words clearly and avoid speaking too fast. Okay, I am understand. So I apply this rule. Use used effectively to emphasize key point and allow the audience to absorb information. Okay. So the point number 8 is control your body language. Okay, it's controlled. Now maintain good posture and avoid forget of saying. Okay, use gesture to enhance your message but don't overdo it. Okay, understood. The point number 9 is vary vary your voice. Use vocal variety by adjusting your tone, pitch, and volume to emphasize important points. The next point is avoid a monotonous delivery. Okay, the next is noun your materialize. Okay, the 2 point is step be an expert on your topic. Confidence comes from knowledge your content thoroughly. Prepare for potential questions or challenge from the audience. Okay, the next is handle mistake aggressively. Okay, it's okay to make mistake, acknowledge them calmly and move on. Okay, the next is if you are lost your place or forget a plan, refer to your notes directly. The point number next 12 is get feedback, and the two step in this point after your speech seek constructive feedback from peer mentor or the audience. Okay, the second is use feedback to improve your presentation. Okay, the 13 point number is keep practicing. Public speaking is a skill that improve with practicing. With practice, the more you speak in public, the more comfortable and confident you will become. Okay, learn from others. Okay, the 2 point in this step. Number one is watch and learn from skilled speakers such as TED talks or prompting public figures. The second is analyze their techniques and adapt them to your style. The next is stay reliable and authentic. Be yourself authentically, builds trust and connection with your audience. Avoid overall scripts or rehearsed speeches that can come across as instructions. Okay, so that's the today's video. Remember that public speaking is a skill that can be developed over time. With dedication, practice, and continuous improvement, you can become a more effective and confident speaker. Whether you are address a small group or a large audience, a more effective and comfort speaker, there you will addressing a smart group or a large audience. Okay guys, so that's the today's video. So please like this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, and bye bye.